Hello! Today, we have a slow and easy English story. The story is about Mila. Mila lives in an apartment building. She is waiting for a package. But there is a problem. The delivery app says delivered, but Mila cannot find the package. Here is your listening question for today. Where was Mila's package? Listen carefully. At the end, you will know the answer. Was the package in the mailroom? Was it at the front desk? Was it with a neighbor? Or was it at the wrong apartment? Let's begin. It is Tuesday afternoon. Mila comes home from work. She opens the front door of her apartment building. She looks at her phone. There is a message from the delivery company. It says, "Your package was delivered at 3:15 p.m." Mila smiles. She says quietly,
"Great! My package is here."
She walks to her apartment. Her apartment number is 3D. She looks in front of her door. There is no box. There is no small bag. There is no package. Mila looks at her phone again. She checks the tracking number. The tracking number is correct. Her name is correct. Her street is correct. Her apartment number says 3D. But the package is not there. Mila says,
That's strange. The app says delivered, but I don't see my package. Mila goes downstairs. First, she checks the mailroom. The mailroom is small. There are letters. There are magazines. There are 2 boxes on a table. Mila looks at the names. One box is for Mr. Chen. One box is for apartment 5A. Her package is not there.
Then Mila walks to the front desk. Mr. Khan is there. Mr. Khan is the building manager. He is friendly and patient. Mila says,
Hi, Mr. Khan. I have a problem. My package says delivered, but I can't find it.
I'm sorry, Mila. Let's check. What is your apartment number?
It's 3D.
I don't see a package for 3D here. Maybe the driver left it near another door.
Maybe. I hope it is not lost.
Mila walks back to the 3rd floor. In the hallway, she sees Owen. Owen is her neighbor. He lives in apartment 3C. Owen is carrying a bag of groceries. Mila says,
Hi, Owen. Did you see a package near my door today?
Near your door? No, I don't think so.
The delivery app says it was delivered, but it is not outside 3D.
I saw a box in the hallway earlier, but I was in a hurry. I don't remember the apartment number.
Was it near 3D? I'm not sure. Maybe near the elevator? Maybe near another door?
Mila feels worried. The package is important. It is a small birthday gift for her sister. She needs it by Friday.
Mila goes into her apartment. She sits at the kitchen table. She opens the delivery app. There is a button that says Contact Support. Mila taps the button. A customer support agent answers the phone. The agent says,
Hello. How can I help you today?
I'm calling about a missing package.
Let's repeat that useful sentence.
I'm calling about a missing package.
One more time. I'm calling about a missing package. I can help you. May I have your tracking number, please?
Yes. The tracking number is 8472-19.
Thank you. One moment, please. I see the package was delivered at 3:15 p.m.
Yes, but it is not outside my apartment.
What is your apartment number?
Apartment 3D.
There is a delivery photo. Do you want me to describe it?
Yes, please.
The package is outside a blue door. There is a green doormat. I can see the number 3, but the last letter is not clear. Mila looks at her own door. Her door is white. Her doormat is gray. Mila says,
My door is not blue. My doormat is not green.
Then the package may be at the wrong apartment. Wrong apartment. This means the package is at the incorrect apartment, not the right apartment. Mila says,
What should I do?
Please check with the front desk and with your neighbors. If you cannot find the package, you can request a refund.
Thank you. I will check one more time.
You're welcome. I hope you find it soon. Mila leaves her apartment again. She walks slowly down the hallway. She looks at the doors. Apartment 3A has a brown door. Apartment 3B has a blue door. Apartment 3C is Owen's apartment. Apartment 3D is Mila's apartment. Mila stops. Apartment 3B has a blue door. There is a green doormat. Mila remembers the agent's words. A blue door, a green doormat, the number 3. Mila does not touch the package area yet. She wants help from Mr. Khan. She calls the front desk. Mila says,
Hi, Mr. Khan. I think the package may be at the wrong apartment. Can you come to the 3rd floor?
Of course. I will come now.
A minute later, Mr. Khan arrives. Owen opens his door too. Owen says,
Oh, I remember now. I saw a small brown box near 3B this afternoon.
Mr. Khan knocks on apartment 3B. No one answers. He looks near the door. There is a small brown box. The box is outside apartment 3B. Mr. Khan reads the label. He says, Mila, this package is for you.
It says Mila Torres, apartment 3D.
Mila feels happy and relieved. She says,
So the driver left it at the wrong apartment.
yes, it was outside apartment 3B, not 3D.
There is the answer. Where was Mila's package? It was outside apartment 3B, not 3D. Mila thanks Mr. Khan. She thanks Owen. Owen smiles and says,
I'm glad you found it.
Me too. Now I don't need a refund.
She takes the package to her apartment. The birthday gift is safe. Now, let's check your listening. Question: where was Mila's package? Was it in the mailroom? No. Was it at the front desk? No. Was it with Owen? No. The package was outside apartment 3B, not 3D. Let's review today's useful words. Package. A package is a box or bag that someone sends to you. Delivered. Delivered means the package arrived. Tracking number. A tracking number helps you follow your package. Mailroom. A mailroom is a room for letters and packages. Neighbor. A neighbor is a person who lives near you. Front desk. The front desk is the help desk in a building. Wrong apartment. Wrong apartment means not the correct apartment. Refund. A refund is money you get back when there is a problem.
Now, repeat the important sentence. I'm calling about a missing package.
Again, I'm calling about a missing package. One more time, slowly. I'm calling about a missing package. Good. Now say the answer in a full sentence. The package was outside apartment 3B, not 3D.
Again, the package was outside apartment 3B, not 3D.
Your comment practice for today is this. The package was. You can write, the package was outside apartment 3B. Or, the package was at the wrong apartment. Thank you for listening to this slow English story. Listen again if you want more practice. Notice the words package, delivered, tracking number, mailroom, neighbor, front desk, wrong apartment, and refund. See you in the next story.